Hi everyone, this is Team The Still Variables. As and when COVID-19 vaccines become available, they will likely lead to a massive global effort to distribute and administer them. So yeah, we worked over it and developed an online platform where a user can book his or her slot to get a vaccine which will prevent long queues and hence prevent the virus spread by maintaining social distancing. This will also help in keeping a check on black marketing of vaccines. This is our website's homepage. Here we can uh, we can see it now. Coming to the home button, we can see a button to register. By clicking on it, a registration form comes. Where it needs some basic details, let's fill it. Here we have so let's fill it. Here in the bottom, we'll see an emergency request option for the users having severe conditions. For example, if a user have any kidney disease, he can apply and then admin will have the authority to accept with proper medical certifications. Moving ahead, after submitting this, we will be directly head over to user dashboard. Here we can see our details and status in the queue. Also, we have added an edit information option here, which is for now not functional. We have added this to our future work. Coming over to our home page, user can see the corona statistics of India about the total number of deaths, the total number of treated patients, the total number of infected patients, and the cases in last 24 hours. Now, for frequently asked questions, we have put a chatbot here. Now, who will administer the whole system? For that, there will be an admin portal. So let's move on there. By logging through the admin ID, we can enter the admin dashboard. So yeah, we have this. Here we have the list of all the users. Admin will have the authority to remove a user, mark it as done, or mark his or her application pending. And if I am an admin, I can click on a particular token number and can see each and every detail of that particular user. And the most important thing, the admin will keep track on the vaccine stock about how much is needed as per the number of registrations, how much is already in the stock, and accordingly he can order for the more vaccines. Here we can see the list of emergency request users. These are so now moving on to our home page. At the bottom, these are our team members. The most important thing is this is not the end of our journey. We have some future work too. We want to add thumbprint or the authentication for registration and a payment system for vaccine. We have created this with a lot of efforts. We learned a lot from this project and will keep learning. Thanks for taking out your time.